Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a PI wallet step by step. Now you have to download the PI browser. First of all, you have to install the PI browser application from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. This app is essential for accessing the PI network ecosystem and managing your transactions. As you can see here, there is an option called download PI app now. Just simply click on this, you will get the link or you will get the application. So this is how you can access the or you can download the PI browser. Now you have to access the PI browser. Open the PI network mining app. From there you have to tap the menu icon, three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select the PI browser and sign in using your PI credentials. Now you have to generate your wallet. In the PI browser, navigate to the PI director and select wallet.py. Now tap on generate wallet. Ensure you complete this process without navigating away from the page. Your wallet and passphrase will be generated here. Now you have to secure your passphrase. After generating your wallet, you will receive a passphrase. This is crucial as it acts like your private key. Store securely and don't share it with anyone. And store it secure and do not share it with anyone, so as losing this passphrase meaning losing your access to your wallet and its contents. Now log in to access your wallet later. Return to the PI browser, tap on the PI wallet and log in using your passphrase or biometric authentication. Now you have sending and receiving PI. To receive PI, copy your public wallet address from the wallet interface and share it with others. Now if you want to send the PI, enter the recipient wallet address and specify the amount to transfer. Be cautious to avoid sending PI to an incorrect address, as transactions incur a minimum fees of 0.01 PI. Now test the transaction. You can practice using a testnet wallet and by sending test PI, which holds no real value, to familiarize yourself with the transaction process. So this is how you can create a PI wallet step by step. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.